Good morning, people. It's yet another new day, and today is New Year's Day. Happy New Year, guys! So आज चाहिँ हाम्रो बालीको न्यू इयर्स डेको प्लान चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि हामी एउटा वाटरफलमा जाँदैछौँ, त्यसपछि एउटा स्प्रिङमा जाँदैछौँ, होली स्प्रिङ रे। त्यहाँ आएपछि चाहिँ इट विल मेक यु युजफुल फर एभर रे, त्यही भएर त्यहाँ त नुहाउनै पर्छ। अनि त्यसपछि देयर इज अनदर हाइल्यान्ड, किन्तामनी हाइल्यान्ड्स एन्ड उबुदको राइस टेरेसेस, एन्ड इफ time permits, then we'll also go to Ubud Palace and Ubud Market. So let's get started with the day. हाम्रो गाडी आइसक्यो and हाम्रो कल पनि आइसक्यो, so we have to go now. We have to rush, and I am out of my room now. Okay, let's go, baby, let's go. Are you not excited? Wait.
No, me there. Look at this.
Memorable boy, hamro. Dugno pani memorable boy.
Okay, good morning, everybody. And then your program for today, we are going to Kintamani. Yeah, the Kintamani. But step by step, the first from in the morning, at the first destination, we can see the Balinese Batik processing. Yeah, this is the one way. Yeah, we just the following your program for today. Yeah.
Our guide arrived at the hotel to pick us up at around 8:30 a.m. Then he took us for a tour to Balinese Batik first, followed by Tegenungan Waterfall, baliswing, Kintamani Highlands to watch volcanic Mount Batur, and then we proceeded to Tirta Empul, the holy spring temple, and we ended the day visiting Ubud Palace and Ubud Market. So let's unfold the day gradually. While we drove in Balinese streets, it was amazing to visualize beautiful architecture of Balinese hotels, temples, and buildings around the street. What mesmerized me was that Indonesia being an Islamic country, approximately 85% people residing in Bali happen to be Hindu and worship same gods and deities as Nepalese do. But the portrayal of these gods and deities are so captivatingly unique than ours. So we have arrived at Balinese Batik. It is a place for handcrafts and hand-woven thread works in Bali. And we're going to see the Balinese artworks in fabrics. Okay? In Balinese Batik, they helped us try sarong draping in different styles. Every kind of cloth piece was available from men's shirts and shorts to women's sarong, dresses and skirts, all at a good price. The clothes ranged from 400,000 Indonesian rupiah to a million Indonesian rupiah, depending on clothes you choose, which ranged from Nepalese approximately 3 to 4,000 to 10,000 rupees.
This is Indonesian rupiah.
Souvenirs like hats, purses, tie, belt, and many more were also available with hand-woven fabric and painting.
Tell us about the waterfall. Name of the waterfall? What is
Tegenungan, yeah.
Tegenungan?
Waterfall.
Okay.
Tegenungan Waterfalls because they're located at Tegenungan village. And the Balinese call here They call it Tegenungan Waterfall.
Bali, Bali. Yeah, buy one. I give you good
Okay.
to speak, yeah. Hello, you want ice cream? Something to drink?
After spending some time in Batik, we headed towards Tegenungan Waterfall. It is one of the most touristy waterfalls in Ubud, Bali. Even in off-season, there were plenty of tourists there. Entry fee can range from 20,000 to 40,000 Indonesian rupiah, which was paid by our travel agency. So we just got stamp at the entry gate in our hands. This amount sums up to around 200 to 350 Nepalese rupees for entrance. Nice. Magnets. As we walked downwards, we could see multiple shops with souvenirs and clothes on either side of street. There was also a photo spot just at the start of the stairs from which waterfall could be viewed at direct sight. Suspension bridge रहेछ यहाँ एउटा यहाँ खोला रे झरना रे Situated at a height of 15 meters, it is one of the highest waterfall around Ubud area. Water flows from Petanu River, which is one of the longest rivers in Bali. It's a beautiful waterfall. There is steep भर्याङहरु चाहिँ अनि यो steep भर्याङहरु छ अहिले चाहिँ हामी त्यहाँसम्म पुग्नु पर्ने छ अनि हामी अब त्यहाँ पुगेर चाहिँ अब कहाँ त्यहाँसम्म पुग्न सकिन्छ कि सकिदैन रेनी सिजन भएको भएर we're here in December. यो चाहिँ डिसेम्बर र जनवरी हैन टुडे इज January 1st. So it's raining here. Rainy season रहेछ off season kind of off season पनि हो बाली आउनको लागि चाहिँ अनि तर because it is December त्यही भएर अलिकति एक्सपेन्सिभ चाहिँ थियो हामीलाई अफ सिजन भए पनि अनि अहिले चाहिँ अब हामी यहाँ त्यही वाटरफल अब एक्चुअली चाहिँ त्यहाँ वाटरफलको मुनिसम्मै जान मिल्छ तर अब हामी कतिसम्म जान सक्छौँ लेट्स सी किन भन्दाखेरि इट्स भेरी सो त्यहाँ नेपालीहरू हुनुहुन्छ जस्तो छ नि त्यसै कि नेपाली पनि रहेछ होइन सो त्यही हो सो हाम्रो बुटको बुवामा हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू चाहिँ स्टिप छ भर्याङ चाहिँ डर लाग्दो छ यस्तै स्टिप भर्याङहरू छ अनि त्यसपछि बल्ल बल्ल म त बल्ल बल्ल उक्लिँदैछु बुवाहरूलाई गाह्रो त भएको छैन नि यस्तो आमालाई चाहिँ गाह्रो भयो कि ए त्यही त यो भर्याङ त अलि फेरि एकदम गहिरो गहिरो भर्याङ रहेछ हिँडिरहेको छौँ हामी चाहिँ अलि लेउ लेउ पनि रहेछ है यो चाहिँ बर्खाको मौसम भएको भएर चाहिँ सस्पेन्सन द्याट इज आवर गाइड यो चाहिँ सस्पेन्सन ब्रिज चाहिँ त्यहाँ छ यो चाहिँ वाटरफल भयो हेलो मर्निङ इट्स city. It's so beautiful there. Usually tourists are allowed to swim in the pond below the waterfall. But as it was raining and water force was high, it was not allowed for us to swim at that moment. This is our face after climbing back up. So tired, so steep stairs. हालत खराब. Anyways, but it's not too many steps. 60 होला. So you get it done as soon as you can. Your trip to Bali will never be complete without trying at least one baliswing. It is one of the signature attractions in Bali and was definitely on our bucket list. After giving us a red bracelet at entrance, they checked our bags for food and water, which was not allowed inside the premises of Alas Harum. We passed through the coffee roasting places to reach the swing area. Alas Harum Bali Swing is located at Tegalalang village in Ubud. It was another touristy spot with a lot of tourists queued up for dresses and swing. This place was a beautiful scenery with lush green vibes. Beautiful golden sculptures stood on nature's lap and multiple photo booths were placed in between for visitors. They have multiple options for swing and dresses, and the prices vary according to that. Pro tip: you can choose a long dress instead of a VIP dress because there will be not much difference in the photos. You have to pay separately for the type of swing you choose, dress you opt for, and photo shoot. An extreme swing did cost us around 2,50,000 Indonesian rupiah, which was included in our travel agent's amount. But we had to pay separately for the dress and photo shoot. Our dress, hair accessory and photo shoot only cost us around 10 lakh Indonesian rupiah, which approximated around 8,000 Nepalese rupees for 2 people. I have kept pictures of the bill here only for you to review. The drizzle had started when we reached there, but we continued on our swing and took photos. One good thing was that they took our pictures on request and we could decide whether we liked it or not. If we didn't like our pictures, we didn't have to pay for them and they wouldn't give us the pictures to take home. But if we liked the pictures, then they would send us in our Google Drive and we could download from there. The photographer would stand on there and take the pictures, asking us to look back and pose for the photos. We only had to pay for the photos after we had seen them and decided that we liked them and we would take them. It was almost 3 p.m. and we were hungry. Our guide took us direct to Kintamani Highlands for lunch, where we enjoyed our delicious meal. We were supposed to view volcanic Mount Batur from our restaurant, but the fog post-rain obscured our view. There was not much to see, so we soon left for another destination.
Kintamani Highlands रे यहाँ चाहिँ volcanic mountain छ भनेर भनेको छ तर खै खासै केही देखिएन तर मलाई डर लाग्यो यहाँबाट चाहिँ हाइट अलि आएको फुबे जस्तो हुने रहेछ यहाँ कर्नरबाट क्या there is a glass अनि यो चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ ग्रान्ड पञ्चक सरी भन्ने रेस्टुरेन्टमा चाहिँ हामीले खायौँ.
The Tirta Empul holy water temple is located in the village of Tampak Siring.
We can see the water spring, the holy spring. This is the holy spring temple. And then this is the special offer from the Balinese, the puja. They have puja to these temples. It's taking the offerings with the money, with the candy, with the bread.
What is
This is the sacrifice. Yeah.
It is a must to wear the sarong when you enter the temple premises. In Balinese language, Tirta Empul loosely translates to water gushing from the earth, which is the reason Tirta Empul is regarded as a holy spring. Believers stand in long lines in the pool waiting to dip their heads under the water spouts in a purification ritual known as Melukad.
So tired, it's been a long day.
From the temple, but not for the guests, yeah. The guests only they got the shower, yeah. But the Balinese finish from they got the shower in front, they change the uniform, and for the last thing for the procession they coming to this place. And then the holy man, the holy priest starting for the ceremony. Is this volcanic? Huh? Yeah, from the volcano. Directly.
So this pool is interesting. The small black expansions that we can see in the pond is supposed to come from the volcano of Mount Batur. It is believed that water of Petanu river sprouts from the Kintamani highlands, travels through this Tirta Empul holy springs, and it goes towards the Tegenungan waterfall and continues its course.
This is the last procession. And then the holy man, the holy priest, wearing the.
Interesting रहेछ क्या पन्ड है हेर्न कस्तो त्यो निस्किरहेको हेर्न. The water hot here?
No, be careful with your phones.
So basically from the morning we've spent our day around the same river and its different places of significance. The temple is situated just below the presidential palace of Tampak Siring. Built in 1957 by Indonesia's first president, the beautifully built palace itself is an important landmark of the island and the country.
Connected by a bridge. Situated on two hills and connected by a bridge रहेछ.
It had been a long day and we were so tired, but we still had two destinations on our plate, Ubud Palace and Ubud Market. We reached Ubud Palace at 8 p.m. while it opens from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. We were late to reach the palace as it was already closed. So we walked around its premises and strolled around Ubud Market. But my phone's battery was dead, so I couldn't capture more, saving Ubud Palace for next time. All in all, New Year's Day was spent well. By the time we reached our hotel, it was 11 p.m. So we slept in a blink. That was it, guys. See you in my next vlog.